In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily create your own website using Kwikweb's new feature. Start by clicking on Create a Website Now. In the first of 3 steps, you will have to enter your company details. I will use Treasure Island Surf Shop as an example. If you have a referral code, fill it in this area. If not, click Next to proceed to step 2. In step 2, a username will be generated for you. Create and confirm your personal password and retype the provided number sequence. Click Next to choose your website color scheme. In this step, you will have to choose a color scheme for your website. This can be changed at a later stage. When you are happy with the colors, click Create Website. You will then be offered to take a number of tutorials, which I will skip. Your website can be managed here in the client zone, giving you full control over your website's look and feel. You will then be asked to edit your landing page. The landing page is the website's first impression. Keep it short and to the point. You can add an unlimited number of products and services which you offer, each with its own picture and description. The company profile is a more in-depth look into your business, its history and future goals. Click on the photo icon, select Upload and click on Browse to find an image on your computer. Select OK. The image will then upload. Once uploaded, you'll be able to adjust the size and positioning of the image before inserting it into the editor. Click Update Page when you are happy with the company profile. The next step is the contact details. Most of the details will be filled in already from step 1, but here you need to activate the Google Maps status. You also have the option to add more details, like the GPS coordinates for example. The last part of the process is the actual look of the website under the Design heading. Click on Upload Logo and browse your computer for your business logo. Once you have selected the logo, click on Upload Logo and wait for the logo to upload. Once the logo has uploaded, you have 4 logo positioning options. Select the best fitting option and preview your website. Once you are happy with the logo, it is time to choose a more detailed color scheme. Each color bar represents a color used in the website, so select a mix of colors that go with the theme of your website. Click Save Changes, publish the changes, and preview your completed website. In the client zone, under More Options, you'll find various administrative options such as getting your own personalized domain.